How old do you have to be to rent U-Haul? Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we are going to discuss how old do you need to be in order to rent U-Haul, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you're trying to figure out the question of how old you need to be to rent a U-Haul, it's actually quite simple. See, there are two types of things on U-Haul. You can rent a truck and you can rent a trailer, and both of these rental service actually has different age categories and criteria. So if you are over 16 years of age, you can only rent trailers and not trucks. If you want to rent trucks, you need to be over 18 years of age. So it's trailers and trucks and 16 and 18 years of age respectively. And in order to prove this, you need to have a valid government issued driver's license. If you don't have this, you will also not be able to rent a U-Haul. So bottom line is 16 years if you want to rent a trailer, 18 years if you want to rent a truck. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.